Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are excited to bring you a brand new video showcasing the CNG conversion of a Tata Punch, a sports utility vehicle with multi-point injection, engine cc about 1199 cc, 3-cylinder vehicle. We have installed a Gastech Italy OBD2 government approved CNG kit from Hi-Rise International, and we are here to share all the details with you. In this vehicle, we have equipped the following components. The main key components are the filling valve, two-way BS6 model, which is connected with the steel tube connecting the reducer on one side and the cylinder on the other side, properly concealed with conduit piping. The next key component is the Gastech Italy BS6 double-stage reducer, from the pressure where the pressure is stabilized from 200 bar to 1.8 bar, even at high RPMs, thus helps to maintain good fuel trims. The third key component is the Gastech Italy ECM, which is a 48 pin from Hi-Rise, which is called the main heart, which controls the complete CNG operation. The ECM ECU set consists of the ECU, its wiring kit, map sensor, temperature sensor, and feather touch switch. In this vehicle, we have installed a TA Halt 291 advancer, which we call it as a remapping advancer, which advances the crank sensor to cam sensor, pedal sensor, synchronizing to get the best power pickup on CNG. Now let's discuss about the back fitment. We have installed 60-liter cylinder which can accommodate 8 to 9 kg of CNG. Let's talk about the mileage. With the petrol, the average mileage we get is almost 11 to 13 kilometers on city. However, with CNG, we see a significant improvement from 20 to 23 kilometers per kg on city and 23 to 25 kilometers per kg on highway. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more automotive contents and updates. Feel free to contact us. We have branches at Chennai, Ernakulam, Thrissur, Malappuram. Thank you for watching our video. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable contents. Thank you.